Hello and welcome everybody for another class on finding square roots. Today we will find square root by long division method. Now in the last class we have done square root by approximation, which works very well when I am approximating a number. However, when the numbers are already perfect squares and I am not able to factorize them, sometimes it's easy for me to perform the long division method. So what we'll do is we'll look at the ways in which I can find the square root by long division. For example, and let me take a number whose square root we know already. Let us take the number of 3969. So for finding square root by long division method, what I need to do is divide my number into pairs of 2 starting from right. This is my first pair, this is my second pair. Find the square root of a number which is less than 39 in this case. 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36. So 6 6 are 36. My remainder is 3. Abhi I'll take this entire 69 down and this number now becomes 369. And my next step will be write a number here which is double what I have in the quotient. So 12. And whatever number I write here will also be written here as long as it is less than the part given here. So in this case, I can see very clearly 120 into 3 is 369. I am left with nothing. Therefore, my square root of 3969 is equal to 63. Let's take another example. Let us find the square root of 2304. Same old story, 2304, pairs of 2 from right, 4 4s are 16. I am left with 7. I'll bring 04 down. Double of 4 is 8. Double of this 4 is 8. Whatever number I write here, I will have to write it here as well. Now I first will find 85 into 5, which is 425, lesser than 704. 86 into 6, which is 516, still 704 से छोटा है. 88 into 8, exactly 704. So I'll write 8, I'll write 8, 704. I'm not left with anything. Therefore, मेरा square root of 2304 will come out to be 48. Let's take another example. And let's cross check the numbers that we are doing. Let me take the number 15625. A slightly bigger number. Same thing. Pairs of 2 from left. Sorry. Pairs of 2 from right. 1 1 1 0. Bring 56 down. Double of this number 2. Dash and dash. 2 3s are 23. 3s are 69. बड़ा नंबर जाता है. So 22 into 2. 44. 1225. Now double of this entire number. 24. Dash and dash. 5 and 5. 1225 comes out as 0. Therefore, square root of 15625 comes out as 125. What if I take a slightly bigger number here? let's say 51984. So if I take 51984, pair of 2 from right, I am left with 5 in the leftmost end. 2 2s are 4, 119, double of this number 4, 42 2s are 84, and 35 84, double of this entire number, which is 44 dash, same number here. Now this will be a hit and trial process. What about 445 into 5? Nah, bit too less. I can see that my unit digit has to be equal to 4. If my unit digit has to be equal to 4, it has to be either 442 or 448. 442 it cannot be, it will be too less of a number. So let me check for 448. 448 is 3520 plus 64, 3584. Match kar gaya hai. So 8 and 8, 3584. And therefore I can say that my square root of 51984 is equal to 228. Last question. Find the square root of 18769. Now pause this video, find your answer, and then check the solution. 1, 1 and 1, 0, 87. 2, double of this part. 3 is a 69, 1869. Double of this entire number, 26. 26 multiplied by either 263 multiplied by 3 to get 9 here, or 267 multiplied by 7. In this case, this number will give me a remainder of 0. Therefore, I can say that my square root of 18769 is equal to 137. Hope this part was useful to everyone. In the next video, we'll find square root by long division in cases where exact square root does not exist. So the number may come out in decimal. See you till next time.